Hey friends, it's Stephanie here in the garden with my mother-in-law Marcia. We're so happy to be visiting over the holiday weekend, and we decided to get into the garden and do some cleanup. So Marcia and I were talking. She's felt kind of sore doing her weeding and was a little bit afraid to do somewhat, afraid she was hurting her back or her joints and arthritis and all that. So I'm giving her some tips while we're here today. So show me how you were picking weeds, Marcia. Perfect. Good. So now go ahead and stand up. And so she was complaining that her thighs, the back of her thighs, were sore afterwards, which is okay because soreness indicates some strength training effects, some delayed onset muscle soreness after you've been using a muscle. So that's okay. But we're going to give her just a little bit. Let me ask you a question. Do you have osteoporosis or osteopenia?
Yes, I do.
So when you're gardening, we want to make sure that you're not rounded through the spine.
Oh, okay.
And that you keep more of a flat back. So what we're going to do is we're going to save your hamstrings a little bit, save your back a little bit, and give the quads a little more challenge.
Okay.
So if you bend a little bit more, so think about squatting first, sticking your tailbone out and arching a little bit. There. Now you can even lean an arm on your thigh, because you're probably right-handed.
Yes.
So lean your left arm on your thigh, just all the forearm
Okay.
down. Oh, like that, yeah. And then go ahead and grab some of those weeds. So that keeps your spine a little bit straighter. See if you can bend in those knees a little bit more. There you go. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, it feels better.
It feels better. See? Go ahead and stand up. You don't have to. I'm gonna help you out with some of those weeds. But that's the key. Like, this can be a strength training activity. You don't have to think about doing sit to stand or squats every day. You can get out into your garden even 10 minutes a day and just take it in sections. Because she was saying this amount, you can kind of pan through here, Carter, and show her how big this garden is. And she's got flowers all the way around the house, so it just seems overwhelming. But you could take, 10 to 20 minutes every day and just think of that as, you're in a nice squat. You're sustaining that isometric squat. You keep your chest lifted and drop down. The butt drops down in order to train your quads. That is perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. Good.
Good.
Awesome. Wonderful.
Okay.
Thank you for being a wonderful model for me
Well,
today.
thank you.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you.